Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the HTML injection. So it might be sound tricky for you, but actually it's really simple. So in this video I'm going to teach you how HTML injection works and how you can prevent from this. Let's take an example of a HTML injection. Suppose if you have a website where people can leave a comment. What the normal people do, they just write a single word or like nice post and nice comment and all. But think the mind of a hacker. They try to inject the HTML code in that section. They usually write the HTML code in that section to execute that code in your website. Like as you can see on the screen, I've written the small code to show you like script tag, HTML tag. This will be working on your website if the proper sanitation is not there in your input field. So now I will show you the practical how you can perform this HTML injection in any website, or you can just simply test. This video is made for the education purpose only, so don't misuse this technology. So as you can see on the screen, we will going to perform the HTML injection in this website. We will going to check that if this website is vulnerable or not. Actually this website is already vulnerable, but we are just performing as a practical type. So we will going to perform an HTML injection can be performed on the input field. So as you can see on the screen, the input field is the search bar. So we'll try it, like HTML code. We try to run the HTML code. So suppose I have written the h1 tag, and suppose I have written hello, and now we'll try to run this code by clicking on the go. So as you can see on the screen, the whatever we have written in the input field, it's displaying the same thing in the search bar, hello. I think you have noticed or not, but actually it's showing the h1 tag, means bigger size. And suppose if we write like in the p tag, suppose say hello only, and then close, and then you see the changes after clicking on this. See, the font size has been decreases. That means this website is vulnerable with HTML injection. Whatever you inject at the whatever you write the HTML code, it will be automatically executed. I will show you one more demo. Suppose I will take the some demo image. Let's take a demo image. Images. Let's take images. Which one? Let's take these images. Let's copy the path, image path, and we'll write the HTML image code. Images, and we'll close this. And now let's run this code. If you see, the our HTML image code has been successfully run in this website. As you can see, this is the vulnerable website. So this kind of a testing you can perform in any type of a website, but it should be a like this some have a some kind of a program like bug bounty and all. That time you can test in the input field. As you can see, I think you might get shocked by seeing this. So I think hope you have liked this video. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel.